Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an open source robotic claw similar to the open claw concept. Now, a robotic claw is a mechanical gripper that can pick up and hold the objects, and many open source designs allow developers and hobbyists to basically build one using the simple components. So here is how it can be done. So first of all, you need to start by choosing the basic claw design with 2 or 3 gripping fingers. Most open source robotic claws are designed using the 3D printed parts or lightweight metal components so that the structure remains strong but flexible. Then the claw needs motors to open and close. Small servo motors are commonly used because they are very easy to control and provide precise movement for gripping the objects. Each claw finger should be connected using hinges or joints. When the servo motor rotates, it pulls or pushes the hinges system, causing the fingers to close around an object. Then you can use a microcontroller such as a small development board in order to control the motors. The board sends the signal to the servo motors to control how much claw opens or closes. Now, some robotics claws include sensors like pressure sensors and the distance sensors. So this helps the claw detect the object and basically adjust its grip strength to avoid the dropping or crushing items. Then you can write the simple control code so that the claw responds to the commands. For example, it can open when a signal is received and close when an object is detected. Finally, test the claw with different objects. Adjust the motor angles and grip strengths until the claw can pick up the items smoothly and reliably. So that's how you can build an open source robotics claw like open claw design using a simple structure. If this video helped you understand the process, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.